Remove all the zip ties that keep the box closed. Remove the 4 paper corner blocks that protect the box. Now there's no right or wrong way to open the box. Open however you want it. If you want to preserve the box, just whatever you do, get it open, it's fine. Remove all the zip ties that keep all the pieces together. Now in my case, I realized that 3 of them were already cut. In these 3 boxes, you'll find all that you need to mount the rack. Now the rack components: 2 left vertical rails, 2 right vertical rails, 2 base brackets, 8 corner sections, 4 center sections, 2 top brackets. Now, the material that they use to make these rack components seem very sturdy. Now, to make it easy on you, just put the box away. Now just put all the rack components aside, organize them however you want it, and get ready for the next step.